What's up, guys? You're welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Wale Jana reveals why he fired Cee-C as brand ambassador. Says she was problematic. CEO of Sapphire Group Wale Jana recently took to social media to make some unpleasant revelations about 2018 BB NAIJA star Cynthia Nwaddiora, popularly known as Cee-C. Wale revealed he fired her twice as an ambassador while addressing people who opined that she walked away because he couldn't afford her. While discussing the mistakes a business person could make in the course of their business, Wale revealed that Cee-C was not professional in her dealings. She was problematic and troublesome from the very start of their business together. Part of the post reads, "Signing the wrong brand ambassador. I hear people say we let her go because she didn't support me. The truth is, she had been a problem from the very beginning, and we had to fire her twice before that time. She had to fly to Abuja with her own money for our last event, and she came to beg. I am surprised to hear that she left because she was too expensive. We fought every time to get her to even post as an ambassador. You are just a 1-year-old celebrity and you want to be competing with the senior prefect at Stone Toilet. She also couldn't get along with anyone. She was always one drama or the other. When she left and Bami Bestowed and Regina Daniels came on board, we had peace and so much unity. Our creativity also moved to the next level." Guys, let me know what you think about this. Do you think Cee-C was problematic? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you.